Hello everyone, welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. My name is Uma Shankar. In this video I am going to talk about solutions class 2. In before my previous class in solution class 1, what is the basic terminology of solutions? Now in this video I am going to discuss about the solution class 2. The topic is the temperature dependence terms, that is called as volume by volume percentage and weight by volume percentage and molarity and normality. These terms are explained in this video. Okay friends, now start this section and see this board. The first concept of this solution is the, now in concentration terms is the volume related and mass related. Now in this video I am going to discuss about the volume related terms. Now first volume related term is the volume by volume percentage. Percentage of volume by volume is the formula of the volume by volume percentage is the volume by volume percentage. Volume by volume percentage is the formula is the volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. This is the formula of the volume by volume percentage. Now the first important concentration term is the volume by volume percentage. Volume by volume percentage is the volume by solute by volume by solution in 100. This is the formula. This formula is used for the percentage of volume by volume. In next second term is the weight by volume percentage. Friends, in numerator is the volume of solute but denominator is the volume of solution. Okay friends, this is the weight by volume percentage. Now weight by volume percentage formula is the weight by volume percentage is the weight of solute by volume of solution into 100. This is the weight by volume percentage. Okay friends, the formula of the weight by volume percentage is the weight of solute by volume of solution into 100. This weight of solute and volume of solution into 100 is given in the question. Now we have to calculate the weight by volume percentages like this. Okay friends, this is the important formulas in weight by volume percentage and volume by volume percentage. Now in numerator is the term is the volume of solute in volume by volume percentage. In weight by volume percentage, numerator is the weight of solute. Okay friends, this is the important formula. And next important term is third important term is the molarity. This is very important friends, molarity. Okay friends, now what is the molarity? Molarity is the number of moles of solute per liters volume of solution, that is called as molarity. The number of moles of solute per 1 liter volume of solution. It means moles of solutes present in the 1 liter volume of solution, that is called as molarity. Now the molarity is represented to the capital M is equal to moles of solute. Now what is friends? Moles of solute by per 1 liter volume of solution, that is called as volume of solution. Now moles of solute is represented to the N. Okay friends, volume of solution is represented to the 1 liter. Now that is called as VL. Okay friends, this is the molarity. Molarity is the number of moles of solute present in the 1 liter of solution, that is called as molarity. Now this is the moles of solute by volume of solution. Okay friends, this is the molarity. Now what is the moles of solute? Okay friends, this is clear friends. This is arise. This is arise. Friends, moles of solute number n. N is the moles of solute. Moles of solute n is represented to the n is equal to the mass of solute by molar mass of solute. Okay friends, this is the number of moles. Number of moles is represented to the n. Moles of solute is represented to the n. N is equal to mass of solute by molar mass of solute. In mass of solute is represented to the W. Now this is called as weight. Weight of solute or mass of solute is equal. Now this is called as weight is by molar mass of solute is represented to the m naught. Okay friends, this is the mass of solute. This is called as molar mass of solute. Mass of solute by molar mass of solute is called as moles of solute. Okay friends, now this value is substituted in this equation. Now what happened friends, in this term molarity is equal to the moles of solute. Moles of solute is the mass of solute or weight of solute by molar mass of solute. Now that is called as weight or mass of solute by molar mass of solute into this is called as volume of solute in volume of solution in liter. Volume of solution in liter, this is called as molarity. Okay friends, molarity is the mass of solute by molar mass of solute into volume of solution. Now in this term is the in liters. Okay friends, in liters, for this term is converted to the ml. What happened friends, now this molarity is equal to the weight or mass of solute by molar mass of solute into this later is converted to the ml. Now this is the volume of ml into 1000. Okay friends, this is the formula of the molarity. Molarity is equal to the weight of solute by molar mass of solute into volume of solution in ml into 1000. Example, in terms of liter, molarity is equal to mass or weight of solute by molar mass of solute into volume of solution in liter. These are the molarity formula. Okay friends, these are the molarity formula. This is clear friend. What is molarity? First, the number of moles of solute per present in the 1 liter volume of solution, that is called as molarity. This is the molarity formula. Okay friends, this is clear friends. This is arise. Next, one more important term is present in this related term of this molarity. The term is called as strength. Okay friends, this is clear friends. This is arise. Okay friends, the related term of the molarity, the term is strength. Strength. Friends, strength is represented to the S. What is strength? Strength is the mass of solute present in per 1 liter volume of solution, that is called as strength. Friends, strength is represented to the S, that is called as mass of solute per 1 liter volume of solution, that is called as strength. But molarity is the moles of solute present in the per 1 liter volume of solution. Okay friends, moles is molarity, mass is strength. Okay friends, now strength is equal to the mass of solute by volume of solution. Now mass of solute is represented to the W. Okay friends, it is weight of solute or mass of solute by volume of solution. This mass of solute is represented to the grams. Okay friends, this is weight by volume of solution. Volume of solution is the VL. Okay friends, in general molarity is equal to the mass of solute. It is the weight of solute by molar mass of solute into volume of solution. This is called as molarity. This is called as strength. Now in this term is called as weight of solute by mass of solute by volume of solution is called as strength. Now molarity is equal to the strength by molar mass. Okay friends, strength by molar mass of solute. Molarity is equal to the strength by molar mass of solute. Now strength is equal to molarity into molar mass of solute. Okay friends, this is very important friends. What is strength? Strength is equal to the molarity into molar mass of solute, that is called as strength. This is the very important formula is present in this solution. Strength is equal to the molarity into molar mass of solution, that is called as strength. Okay friends, this is the strength. In examination point of view, given in the molarity and given in the molar mass, now we have to calculate the strength. Now strength is equal to molarity into molar mass of solute. Okay friends, this is the important formula is present in this strength. Okay friends, this is clear friends. Now this is arise. Friends, next important term is the normality. Now what is normality? Normality. What is normality friends? Normality is the number of equivalent of solute in per 1 liter volume of solution, that is called as normality. The number of equivalent of solute in per 1 liter volume of solution, that is called as normality. Now the normality is represented to the capital N. What is friends? The number of equivalent of solute by per 1 liter volume of solution, that is called as volume of solution. Now number of equivalent of solute is represented to the EQ by volume of solution is represented to the VL. It means per 1 liter. Okay friends, this is the normality. The normality is the number of equivalent of solutes per 1 liter volume of solution, that is called as normality. Now what is equivalent? Friends, what is equivalent? Friends, equivalent is the, now we have to consider a, for example, number of moles is the, what is number of moles? Number of moles is the weight of solute by molar mass of solute, that is called as number of moles. As well as what is equivalent? Equivalent is the weight of solute by equivalent mass. Okay friends, this is very important. What is equivalent friends? Equivalent is equal to the weight of solute by molar mass, equivalent mass. Now what is equivalent mass? Okay friends, what is equivalent mass? Equivalent mass EM is equal to the molar mass of solute M naught by N factor. Okay friends, now what is equivalent mass friends? Equivalent mass is equal to the molar mass of solute by N factor. This is called as equivalent mass. Okay friends, finally what happened friends? Normality is equal to the equivalent by volume in liter. And what is equivalent? Equivalent is the weight by equivalent mass into volume of solution. Now what is equivalent friends? Equivalent is the M naught by N factor. It means moles of molar mass of solute by N factor. Now what happened friends? Now this term is what happened friends? Finally this term is the weight of solute by molar mass of solute into volume of solution into N factor. This is called as normality. Normality is equal to the weight of solute into N factor by molar mass of solute into volume of solution. This is called as normality. Now how to calculate the N factors? Now start this section. Now the calculation of N factor. First of all, I am going to talk about the calculation of N factor. Calculation of N factors is depend upon the acidic and basic and oxidizing agent or reduction agent and salts. Okay friends, this n factor. Now how to calculate the n factor? First of all, I am going to talk about n factor calculation. This is clear friends, this is arise. Friends, calculation of n factor. Friends, calculation of n factors. First one is the in case of acid. In case of acid, what is n factor? Number of H plus ions present in given by aqueous solution, that is called as n factor of acid. Friends, you know that in case of acids, calculate the n factor. Number of H plus ions given by aqueous solution, that is called as n factor. For example, HCl. HCl solution is in aqueous solution. HCl is aqueous solution. What happened friends? This is H plus plus Cl minus. The number of H plus ions is given by aqueous solution. It means water solution. Now this HCl is the aqueous solution. This is H plus and Cl minus. Now this is the one H plus ions is present in the. Now the n factor of this HCl is, the n factor value is 1. Okay friends, n factor value is 1. For example, H2SO4. H2SO4 is a strong acid, is dissociated to the H plus 2H plus plus SO4 2 minus. Okay friends, this is the H2SO4. In aqueous solution, H2SO4 is a 2H plus plus SO4 2 minus. Now what is the n factor friends? Number of H plus ions given by aqueous solution. Now in case of acid, now this n factor value of this value is 2. Okay friends, now what is the n factor friends? N factor is depends upon the, in the case of acid, what happens friends? The number of H plus ions is present in this aqueous solution, that is called as n factor. Now in this HCl is a 1 value and this HCl is n factor. H2SO4 n factor value is 2 and HCl is n factor value is 1. Okay friends, now in for example CH3COOH, acetic acid is the CH3COO minus plus H plus. The number of H plus ions is present in this aqueous solution given by aqueous solution. This is called as n factor value is 1. Okay friends, now n factor value is in case of acid is the number of H plus ions. But in case of base, what is n factor value? The number of OH minus ions. Okay friends, number of OH minus ion given by aqueous solution, that is called as n factor. Okay friends, in case of, for example, base is present in there. Now what happens friends? N factor value is calculated. The number of OH minus ion given by aqueous solution, that is called as base. For example, NaOH. For example, NaOH gives Na plus plus OH minus. The number of OH minus is present in aqueous solution. In aqueous solution, NaOH is OH minus ions is present in. N factor value is 1. Okay friends, this is the concept of the calculation of n factor in case of acid and in case of base. Okay friends, this is clear friends, this is arise. Friends, next one is the n factor for salt. Okay friends, n factor for salt. N factor for salt is the magnitude of positive or negative charge, that is called as n factor for salts. In case of calculate the n factor for salts, that is the magnitude of positive or negative charge, that is called as n factor. For example, Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, Na2CO3 is the salt. Now the number of magnitude of negative or positive charge. Now this case what happens friends? Na is the plus 2 charge and this is called as minus 2 charge. Now the n factor value is the magnitude of positive or negative. Okay friends, now this value is the 2. N factor value is 2. This is the n factor value is 2 in for salts. For example NaCl. Okay friends, NaCl is salt. Now this is the plus 1 and this is minus. The magnitude of positive or negative, the magnitude is the plus 1 or minus 1. Now the n factor value is 1. Okay friends. Okay friends, the magnitude of positive or negative charge. Okay friends, this is the n factor value is 1, this is n factor value is 2. And another important is the Al2 SO4 3. This is called as aluminum sulfate. Aluminum sulfate. This is the Al2 is the plus 3 and this is 2. Now this is the plus 6 oxidation state, plus 6, and this is the SO4 3 minus. SO4 is minus 2. This is the 3. Now what happened? This is the minus 6. Okay friends, this is the minus 6 charge and this is the plus 6 charge. The magnitude of positive or negative charge. Now this is the equal positive and negative. This is called as n factor. N factor value of this salt is the 6. Okay friends, in case the n factor calculate the salt, that calculation of n factor is the magnitude of positive or negative charge. This is the n factor. For example, in case oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Now calculate the n factor value. Okay friends, oxidizing agent and reducing agent, calculate the n factor value. For example, KMnO4. Okay friends, KMnO4 is the oxidizing agent. This is the strong oxidizing agent. In case this is the acidic medium. In case this is acidic medium, this is the oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agents means reduction of H plus. Reduction, it means electrons is gained. Now this is that is called as oxidizing agent. Now this is KMnO4 in the presence of acidic medium in titration. For example, KMnO4 is titrated with oxalic acid. That's what happened friends. KMnO4 is a strong oxidizing agent in the presence of H plus. This KMnO4 is the Mn2 plus. This KMnO4 is converted to the Mn2 plus. Now calculate the n factor. Okay friends, calculate the n factor. Now calculate the n factor is the in oxidizing agent and reducing agent is the number of electron transfer. Number of electron transferred is the oxidizing agent and reducing agent is the calculate the n factor is the number of electron transfer. In the case n factor KMnO4 is in the presence of acidic medium, this is the Mn2 plus is converted. This KMnO4 is converted into Mn2 plus. In the case this Mn is the oxidation state is plus 7. This plus 7 is converted to the plus Mn2 plus. Because of this is plus 1 and this is the minus. This is the minus 8. Now plus 1 minus 8 is equal to the 0. Mn is the calculate plus 7 oxidation state. This plus 7 oxidation state is converted to the Mn2 plus. Now this is called as oxidizing agent. Now the number of electron transfer is this Mn plus 7 to Mn2 plus is the 5 electron. Now the n factor value of this KMnO4 in the presence of H plus, the n factor value is 5. Okay friends, this is the calculator of the n plus. For example, in the presence of base, this KMnO4 is converted to the K2MnO4. Now this is called as MnO4 2 minus. Okay friends, MnO4 2 minus. This in the presence of base KMnO4 is converted to the K2MnO4. Now in the case Mn is the oxidation state is plus 6. This is plus 6, 7 and this is plus 6. Now this plus 7 is converted to the plus 6. Now the number of electron transferred is 1. Now the n factor value is 1. Okay friends, this is very important friends. KMnO4 in the presence of neutral medium. What happens friends? In the presence of neutral, KMnO4 is converted to the MnO2. KMnO4 is connected to the MnO2. It means Mn is the plus 4 oxidation state. In the case this Mn is the plus 4 oxidation state, Mn plus 7 is connected to the Mn plus 4. Now what is the n factor value? The number of electron transferred in this case in the neutral. Now this is the n factor value is 3. Okay friends, n factor value is in this case the neutral in the case is 3 and basic medium in the case is the n factor value 1 and acidic medium in the case of the KMnO4 value is 3. Okay friends, this is the oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Oxidizing agent and reducing is calculated of the n factor, number of electron transfer number, that is called as n factor. Okay friends, these are the examples of the n factor. Now in this video I am discuss about the what is the volume by volume percentage and weight by volume percentage formula, and what is the molarity and strength, and what is the normality and calculation of n factor. Okay friends, this is the concept. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.